Hello, welcome to EngineerComic. In this video, we will continue our previous video to make amazing car engine. In this video, it is part 6 from the videos. By the way, it's take too many time. Well, also thank you to okay. We make any circle that diameter 76.20 and then we bus extra this we made 47.2 for the extra boss extra might be okay, and then what we will do the result. As the result, we make the circle gain. By the way, we make it as the use then convert entities and make the copy of circle, or maybe this is offset and distance of it 12.7 for the measure from the measuring of it. And we make any circle gain, we make circle from the center and then okay, we escape it, but we make any circle gain but not as 60.3 for the distance of it, for the distance between second and the first circle. Our center is 73.5 and the quadrant we made the diameter is 88.9. We got some lane for it. And one more line again. Okay. We make like an H, or it is also like it's like an H or oval. We trim this, we west the line that useless, delete and delete, and we make another line again. We repeat it again and then mirror it. It's like a copy, but like a copy paste, but you can make it in the opposite direction, like you see a mirror. Look at a mirror. And then we trim this line. It's not important to us. Because of it, we trim it or delete it or cut it. You can say anything what you want. Okay, then we extract bars of it. Oh no, I'm doing something wrong again. I've done something wrong. Okay, please wait a second. Oh no. By the way, what happened by the way? I see. Okay, I found a solution. We shouldn't to trim all of this line because of we will able to do this. We make it oval as an H. We click it one by one. Okay, we really done this. We really have done this. And this 3D object we will make the circle game from the center and expand this to the perfect circle. Expand this and make the measure, make the size. We make it 63.5 for the measure of it, and then we extract bars as usual. What the heck that we will give to this? We make it 25. I mean 45 for 72 for the extract bars before for the height. And then we made half circle like this and make the size or make the range. Make the radius 169.00, and then we make another line. We click this point and make it concentric. Okay, we got this. Perfect. Click again randomly for the measure because we only wanted to extract this to be more complex shape like a fillet things. And we done this. Okay, we make it midpoint, mid plane I mean, and expand this again. We expand it to becoming like this. Okay, maybe this is the end of my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.